Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable location of this smartphone. Start by going into Tab menu. Now look for Location Services icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that location is enabled. You can always disable it by clicking at the same icon. But you can also go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Additional Settings, scroll down again, choose Device and Privacy, scroll down, click on Location, and finally click on the switcher next to Location Service to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!